Hello, you guys! Today we're gonna prepare the best garlic bread ever! In a bowl, add 6 garlic cloves, 2 eggs, and mix them in a blender. Then pour the beaten eggs in a bowl. Now add 150 ml of plain yogurt, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of fine herbs, 300 grams of flour, and stir. Take a moment to let me know where you're watching us from so that I can send you a huge hug. And thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. And our dough needs to look like this. Now place it on a board dusted with flour and work it with a rolling pin. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love garlic bread. My dough is flattened. We want it to be not so thin nor not too thick. Now cut the dough with a glass to have some same-sized bread rolls. Now fry them in a pan with warm oil. These bread rolls are soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. And this recipe is super easy to prepare. It's a great option for your breakfast. Try it at home, then write here what you think. When one side turns golden, turn them over with the fork to fry the other one. And our recipe is done! Look how cute they are! I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna thank anyone in the comments who has written down their hometown. See you in the next video! Bye-bye!